No wonder why it's not working. Look at that. Which way's the wind come from? I don't want to get a face full of dust. Oh, gee. Look at that. But as I said, the filter's plugged. So I'm just going to try it for a second or two without the filter, see if there's more suction. Yeah, it's working now. So we'll take everything apart and we'll clean it up with some water. And I'll clean up the brush bar. When you clean the filter afterwards, put it out in the sun or in a fan, because you have to have it completely dry. If you don't, it'll end up like this again, because it's just like a magnet to dust when it's wet. Okay, I'll just get this all ready and put it in a tub of water. I'll empty that out. It comes apart. I got a Phillips screwdriver. Take the screws out. 1, 2, 3, 5 of them. This comes off. And there's the brush bar. See, it's spinning good, so the bearings aren't seized in it. I'll clean this up. Take the belt off. And we can take this hose off as well. Got 2 screws here. And all the screws are all the same size, so it doesn't matter where you put them. And we can disconnect this. Okay, once you got the 2 screws, the cap comes off. And I'll do the other side. And this comes off. And we can wash this also. No sense taking the wheels off. And we can take the hose off. Wash this also. You can take this off and wash it if you want. Okay, once you have this screw out, this will come apart. Just like that. You can wash this. Just blow it out with air. Just taking the thread off these. You don't want to wash this in the water either, because the bearings, yeah, you don't want to get water in those bearings either. So if it's rolling good, you can just wipe this down with the wet cloth. Never checked the suction at the brush bar, but when I took the hose off, that is plugged in there also. So just be aware of that. . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . plugged. Stick something through there and yeah, you won't have much suction at the brush bar. This is plugged. There, it's all out now. Okay, I'm just going to start washing everything. I did bang out the filter a bit. And then I'm going to sit everything out in the sun, let it dry. I'm still washing everything. I'm in the backyard now. And I still got my mosquito clothes on. And yeah, they're not biting me in the shade now. There's mosquitoes around, but I'm okay. A little warm though, but okay. Okay, back to cleaning now. A couple more things left to clean. I'm just going to give these things a little bit of a wiping. You don't want to put the bearings into the water, no. The motor, I'll do the same thing. I'll just wipe it down. Don't want to put this into the water though, because it'll definitely rust. A little bit of rust is happening there by the belt. I'm leaving it outside for 3 months. I guess the plastic bag leaked a bit. But I got everything else drying. Show you that. Got everything else drying here. One of the roller pins were rusted in there, which is right here. Flip it up with the screwdriver. But this one here is rusting also, so I'll clean them. You really don't have to take the motor apart, but I am, because I want to get everything washed. There's a few screws. 1, 2, 3, 4 that I can see so far. Hopefully they're all the same screws throughout the whole thing. When you're taking the screw out by the pedal, you got to push the pedal in, then you can take the screw out. So I got 5 screws. Let's see if it'll come apart. Yeah, I could take this and blow this out. Yeah, there's some dust in there. Then I can wash this because there's no electronics here. And this is just routed around the screw. And I can undo the switch. Gee, all the same size screws. There's the switch, and that's hot. Now I can wash this and this piece. And you take this and you get it blown out with air.